In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a product commercial using Canva. Whether you're launching a new item or simply want to showcase a product more dynamically, Canva provides the tools you need to create a professional looking commercial, all from the comfort of your home or office. Let's begin by heading over to the Canva website. Once you're there, you'll want to type the phrase product commercial into the search bar. This will direct you to a vast array of pre-made templates designed specifically for product presentations. Canva's intuitive interface makes it incredibly easy to preview these options. Spend a moment browsing through these templates, find one that aligns well with the vision you have for your product. Once you've settled on a template that resonates with your aesthetic, click on it to proceed to further customization. With your template selected, you'll notice an option to customize this template. Clicking this will open the template in Canva's editing workspace, where the magic happens. The great thing about Canva is its flexibility, allowing you to adjust nearly every detail to cater to your needs. Start by updating the text elements. You might want to include specific product details, an eye-catching headline, or a call to action. Simply click on the text box and you can type in whatever you need. Don't forget to adjust font size, style, and color to match your brand's unique personality and enhance readability. Next, let's focus on visual elements by clicking on the Uploads tab located on the left sidebar. Here you can upload high quality images of your product. Remember, the clarity and quality of your images play a critical role in attracting viewer attention and leaving a lasting impression. Once your images have been uploaded, it's as simple as dragging and dropping them into the template to replace the existing graphics. Canva's layout automatically adjusts, making it seamless to integrate your visuals without losing design coherence. As you refine your commercial, keep in mind that the key to an engaging product advertisement is to maintain a balance between engaging visuals and informative content. Consider also utilizing Canva's stock elements such as icons, stickers, or additional images to enrich your marketing message. Additionally, you might want to explore Canva's animation features to add dynamic flair, making your commercial more captivating. Once you are satisfied with your design adjustments and overall composition, remember to review everything to ensure all elements align well and support the overall message you wish to convey. After you're done, you can download your finished product commercial in various formats, ready to be shared online or embedded into a broader marketing campaign. And there you have it. With a few clicks and some creative adjustments, you've crafted a compelling product commercial using Canva. It's an effective way to highlight your products and communicate their benefits vividly. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel inspired to start creating your own unique product commercials.